everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Mars Anomalies, brought to you by Raptor Zone. This is my gaming alias. This is the lovely Michelle, my girlfriend. She's always in the background, so if I seem distracted, you'll know why. So, without any further ado, let her introduce herself, and then we'll get on with the 3D illustration.
Hi, people. Well, I'm Michelle, but yeah, anyway, you know that. So.
We're returning to an older site that I covered a couple of months ago. This is in Cerberus Palus at the equator of Mars, where I found that strange 3D, sort of like a quarter pyramid triangular part, and then various blocks and cubes and some slabs. Let's have a look at the original material and then the anomaly itself. The high-rise photograph is called Disrupted and Blocky Outcrop in Cerberus Palus, acquired on the 23rd of March 2009 at 27.7 centimeters per pixel, with 1x1 binning. The anomalies I'll be showing you were cropped from a JP2 black and white map projected file, 439 megabytes in size. And there's a look at the low-res black and white. And the anomalies are some of these blocks, these smaller blocks that are scattered about on top of this rather strange surface. So there it is, folks, that pyramid that I was talking about. And it's probably about 100 meters across at the base. Check out the symmetry and geometry to that part. Was this possibly a four-sided pyramid with these being eroded away? Hi. So the main anomaly I'd like to show you guys is this strange sort of Rubik's Cube type anomaly. It's about 16 by 16 meters across. And then there's three similar blocks in a row next to one another over there, not far from this strange cube. Could it be the ball cube? No, I'm just kidding, folks. Let's take a closer look at that and then check out the blocks with the geometry and symmetry going on here again. Highly eroded and then covered in dust and sand. It looks like there's a hollowed out area there with a small spherical object in the center. And then the three blocks in a row to the top left. Also looks like we have something narrow coming up over this block, extending over the first block over there. Yeah, you can see it up close. Check that out, folks. It looks like it's coming out of that block, and that looks like a tube or a cylinder. Also a very strange part over there. Looks like that could be a circular opening. And there's the illustration top down, as the Mars Reconnaissance orbiter photographed it over there. And I'm sure you'll agree with me, this part, and in combination with those three, looks highly, highly irregular. And there's also similar sized blocks scattered about this area. Check those out if you get a chance. And there's the side view. As I say, the main item is about 16 by 16 meters in size, and the astronauts about 2 meters tall. So it gives an idea what this will look like if you were actually on the surface. However, folks, do let me know in the comments below what you think of these. Is it just natural erosion, or are we looking at artificially designed and built blocks? And why are they arranged in a 3x3 pattern? So let's shoot off to the equator. I think this is about 7 degrees to the north of the equator to that site in Cerberus Palus. You can see NASA's photographed this site extensively in the past. And there's a brief look at those anomalies once more. Up to the north, we have another site with a strange structure. It looks almost like a fort. Check out the walls, also very symmetrical in design, and then multiple layers to the main structure. And then a bit to the west, this is where I found that huge, looks almost like a channel that's been cut into the side. Look at the uniformity in that width. And then we have these strange, almost like islands. It could have been in the top of a canal system. Check out the blocks again, folks. Lots of them all over this area. And then the main pyramid. This is about 2.5 by 2.5 kilometers at the base. Looks like the capstone's missing, and could that there be an eroded sort of staircase like we see there in the Pyramid of the Sun. And there's also this strange pyramidal design. It's got a circular depression in it. Looks like that they caved in the distant past. And then over down to the southeast, there's another site where I found a highly eroded pyramid. It looks almost like a step pyramid with some of the blocks that have moved away, and it's flat on top. Also these strange depressions in the surface. Looks like these have been cleared out. Also very symmetrical. It's got like a square shape to it. That one over there seems to have like the pyramid with the staircase, with that part there in the middle of the one side cleared away. And then there's lots of these look like old canals and foundations. So as always, let's have a chat in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think of these. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up, share it with like-minded friends and family. And then also to the lovely Michelle, thanks for the introduction. Now you guys and girls know what my girlfriend looks like. Take care everybody, I'll see you in the next one real soon. Ciao for now.